truth or a myth? So using more product gives faster results. Myth. Why?
It's a myth because you have to use the correct product. आणि आता with rare chemistry what we have done is की one product will give you multiple benefits. तर like a dry skin product फक्त तुमची स्किनला मॉइश्चर नाही देणार बट ॲट द सेम टाइम जसं ड्राय स्किनचे जे कन्सर्न्स असतात पिगमेंटेशन फाईन लाईन्स सो इट विल टेक केअर ऑफ दॅट ऑल्सो. मल्टिपल प्रॉडक्ट्सची गरज नाही आहे जे रिच्युअलमध्ये आपण यूज करतो ते करायला हवे बट यूज प्रॉडक्ट्स विच आर गिविंग यू मोर बेनिफिट्स इन अ सिंगल जार.
Oh wow, very nice answer. And I want to ask you this: using more product, one product, if somebody is using in a more portion of cream, whether that gives faster result?
You need
This is also myth.
it's also a myth. Like you need to have like with moisturizers, you will be in a pea-sized amount for your face. It's not ki if you put more that there'll be more ingredient benefits into your skin. It will sometimes also work counterproductive. And also you should not use जे खूप सारे वेगळे वेगळे आज हा मग उद्या काही दुसरं तेही नाही करायचं कारण युअर स्किन विल नॉट अंडरस्टँड की काय होतं.
बरोबर.
It will get confused. So it has to be get used to something and then it will start
Consistency.
It has
आणि
to
असं
be
नाही की तुम्ही हातावरती खूप जास्त घेऊन लावलं की लगेचच त्याचा रिझल्ट मिळणार आहे.
It is not that.
You should exfoliate every day. Myth.
Because when we are exfoliating what we are doing is that we are removing the dead skin and the pollutants from the upper layer of the skin. So once you exfoliate then you expose the skin beneath it. But if you exfoliate every day then every day you are scrubbing your skin off.
You're also stripping your skin of its oils.
Natural oils.
Oils. Like your skin needs some sort of sebum secretion. Over under both are equally bad and both will lead to acne. It's not कि just over होता है कि people get breakouts. So if you over exfoliate you are it's not like कपड़े घुमा कि यस तो घासून धोए.
So all those who exfoliate every day, remember always this: once in a week, or if there is a function, then twice in a week. So another one is a good diet affects your skin. Yeah. So how and what way?
Mama also said in the end it's what is internal will show on your skin.
Yes.
So if you have a very packaged food or packaged food diet or a diet which doesn't have enough whole foods, it will show on your skin. Like your sebum secretion will be a lot, or you get more acne breakouts, or you look older, you age faster. Because you can only do a skincare ritual and putting creams and having treatments is important, but what will make that last longer and also make it show as the results better is going to be what you eat.
Skin needs nourishment from within as well as from outside. So you need to nourish your skin both inside and out.
And outside. Natural products never cause allergies.
Myth.
Okay. कसं?
I am
दूध काही नाहीच.
I am allergic to a lot of natural products. आणि the botanical world also has poisonous plants पण आहे, things that don't react. आणि your individual body also, your enzymes in your body cannot be okay with everything. If everything your body is starting to absorb and there is a problem.
आता एक ह्याच्यामध्ये आय विल जस्ट टेल यू की ॲलोवेरा आता सगळ्यांना माहिती आहे ॲलोवेरा इज अ व्हेरी गुड फॉर द स्किन पण खूप लोकांना ॲलोवेराचीच ॲलर्जी असते आणि ॲलोवेराची स्पीशीज असतात.
ओके.
तर वेन यू कट अ ॲलोवेरा लीफ अँड यू पुट इट तर त्याच्यामध्ये सगळे जे काही त्याच्यात केमिकल्स असतात इंग्रेडियंट्स असतात नॅचरल ते सगळे येतात.
बरोबर.
सो युअर स्किन हॅज मोर चान्सेस ऑफ रिॲक्टिंग टू देम इन द नॅचरल फॉर्म अनडायल्युटेड फॉर्म.
त्याची ॲलर्जी असते त्यांना
असते ते लावलं की द स्किन ब्रेक्स आउट.
ओके.
सो आणि खूप लोकांना माहिती असतं, हळूहळू त्यांना कळतं. आजकाल द न्यूअर जनरेशन दे आर व्हेरी मच अवेअर अबाउट स्किन केअर, तर त्यांना कळायला लागतं.
राईट.
आणि समटाइम्स देर माइट बी टू ingredients which are clashing in the product. तर तसंही नको.
बरोबर. So is that a reason that they say that you have to use the same shampoo and the same conditioner of the same company?
That's always better. That's always better.
You know?
That is why you should
Yeah.
have skincare ritual also of the
Same
brand
company,
in the
same
6
brand.
series of the same brand,
Same
because
series.
the products have ingredients that are made so that they all are they go
Synergistic.
synergistically with
Correct.
each other. There's
So
no clash.
we have
Clash नहीं
yeah,
होना.
clash. So we have a day cream and we have a night cream. The day cream will be, it will give you nourishment, but it will also have ingredients which will protect you from the external environment also.
Correct.
But at the same time, the night cream will also have moisturizing and nourishing ingredients, but it will have more of regenerative. If you use a same company, it's a day and night cream, so they work synergistically, so you will get a better result.
Better results. Okay. I have used Rare Chemistry's eye cream.
Yes,
आणि
yes.
खूप छान
I
रिझल्ट
think the visible difference, I've
छान
got
result,
very
yes.
good results and reviews with it. It is one of our best sellers.
Best sellers, yes.